나가겠습니다.
We always ate the liver first. Then we drank the blood of the shark.
The fishermen had faith they would survive. In the village of Tambamatang on Nikunau, their families never stopped believing that they would return.
After the boy's disappearance, I felt God's hope and I trusted in God. There is a custom we hold Tawanui to hold something. It is a symbolic link with the absent person. When the buyer put his watch on my wrist, I was thinking it is a symbol of his life, and he would be the one to take it back from me, because he had come back alive.
Our friend got sick. He was starving. His feet swelled up. Then his legs. Finally, his whole body was swollen. One morning, he was very weak. He died in the afternoon. We kept him with us for one night. Then we put his body over the side in the afternoon.
While we were drifting in the ocean, there were times when we felt really sad and hopeless, but we had a strong desire to live. Fortunately, we had the determination to endure all the difficulties of those 7 months.
In the last 2 months, there were no sharks to catch, so we had to live by drinking rainwater. No food.
One day, as it was getting dark, we saw land on the horizon. We were very weak by then, but we started paddling straight away with the hat and the stick. It took us 36 hours to reach the reef. Then we got stuck in the reef. A big wave washed us into the lagoon. We knew we were safe. Then we remembered to pray. At last we reached the beach. I could only walk with difficulty. Rental could only fall.
The epic journey of the Kiribati fishermen was soon picked up by the world press. Their courage and endurance created a new record of survival at sea. These quiet fishermen are modern heroes. For 7 months, they suffered heat, exposure, and privation on a journey of over 2,500 kilometers. Only their skills and their long familiarity with the sea enabled them to endure this remarkable odyssey until their homecoming. The two Kiribati fishermen and their families who waited are true traditional sea people of the Pacific. The fishermen had the instinct to become a living part of the sea, to accept without resisting the flow, the drift, and the currents of the ocean that would finally bring them home from this longest such journey on record.
They trained us hard, but it was always the way for young Gilbertese men. We always had to undergo extreme toughening procedures. The martial arts were studied by our ancestors too. We practice different methods today at our academy, Deide Niranikai, but the code of honor are the same. Our dreams of strength and bravery are the same. Our gods are still the same.